In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build complex tables and style table themes in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know how to create a clear, professional table, refine its look, and make it easy to read on any slide. Start by inserting a table. Go to the Insert tab, choose Table, and pick the number of rows and columns you think you'll need. If you're not sure, don't worry. You can add or remove rows and columns later. It's usually helpful to reserve the top row for headers so your audience can quickly understand what each column represents. With the table on your slide, begin entering your data. Click in the first cell and type. Press Tab to move to the next cell and Shift+Tab to go back. When you reach the end of a row, Tab will jump you to the start of the next one. Keep your entries concise. Long text can make the table feel crowded and harder to scan. If you need to adjust the structure, right-click anywhere in the table. Use Insert to add a row above or below, or a column to the left or right of your selection. Use Delete to remove selected rows or columns. This is the fastest way to expand a table as your content grows, or to simplify it if you have extra space. Now, let's style it. Select the table and open the Table Design tab. Browse the built-in table styles and hover to preview how each option looks with your content. Choose one that matches your slide's theme and offers enough contrast for readability, especially for header text. Customize the style to make key information stand out. Use shading to color the header row or to band rows and columns for easier reading. Borders let you control grid lines. Try lighter internal borders with a slightly thicker outline to create a clean frame. Effects add finishing touches like shadows or subtle reflections that lift the table off the slide. Use them sparingly so the data stays front and center. Finally, refine the layout. On the Layout tab, adjust cell size by dragging borders or entering exact measurements for precise control. Align text to the top, middle, or bottom of cells, and set left, center, or right alignment to match the type of data. If a column is narrow, change the text direction so labels read vertically and save space. Aim for consistent spacing and alignment across the entire table so it looks intentional and polished. That's it. Insert, populate, organize, style, and fine-tune. With these techniques, you can build complex tables that are both informative and visually clear.